Hey you guys, what is up? So today's video is going to be a video that I know so many people have questions about, and that is pressed glitter. So I know a lot of you guys see my videos on Ruby May Cosmetics, and I'm doing swatch videos of the palettes that look like this. This one's the Enchanted palette, and everybody wants to know how to use it and how I use it and how come when they try to swatch it, it doesn't look the same and blah 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 and all these questions, and I'm just like, let me spill my secrets. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little way that I'm going to be putting it on my eyes and different ways you can swatch it and apply it on yourself. So if you guys want to see that and learn more, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing is a lot of people always ask me if I am putting on a primer on my arm when I'm swatching the videos. No, I do not. I literally don't put anything on my arm except for if my scar on my arm, I got a burn really bad from my curling iron because it's a long little story, but it still hasn't healed, so it kind of annoys me sometimes. So I'll put a tiny little dab, like literally a dab of foundation just to kind of cover it because I'm embarrassed of it, and then that's it. And normally I don't swatch anywhere on top of that, so it doesn't affect this actual swatches itself. When I do it, there are multiple ways you guys can apply it. Of course, when I'm swatching it on my arm, that's not the way you guys are going to be applying it on your eyes. So the way I apply the glitter on my eyes is I will choose a color. I personally really like this Enchanted palette myself. This one's my favorite one because the top row, I don't know if you guys can see the texture, but the texture on the top row is different. There's stars, there's little circles on it. The iridescent shade in the top corner is super pretty, and those ones are typically my favorite to do on top of one of the bottom shades. One of the questions that I get asked a lot is how long does it last? Does it move around on your eye? No, because typically you're not going to apply the glitter on just a bare eye or a bare face. I mean, you can and it will stay, but it will be a little bit transferable. So I always have shadow on my eye before I do it, and typically so will you. I'll either tap it, and then I have some on my hand. You guys can swipe it, and I don't know if you guys can kind of see that. It gives like a little wet look. I'm going to grab this purple shade right here. I'm going to touch it. And you guys can also roll it onto your eye. Grab your finger from the side and then roll it. And then kind of pat into your eye space. And you will get the same, pretty much the same thing here, except for you rolled it and then spread all the product on. You can also grab a brush, which is another way that I'll do it, like a flat brush. And if you guys are going to do like a super dramatic cut crease or something like that, I'll grab the brush and then I will pick up the glitter, like if it's paint, and I'll kind of dig into the palette. You're going to want to pick up a lot of product. You guys can see the product. Press it in onto your eye and you can drag it from there. Do you guys see that? You can clean off the brush, and whatever is left on your eye and you want to shape it real quick before it sets, you can grab the brush and then make a cut crease and then make it either straight or square or whatever you want into whatever shape, and then just press out, and I made it a square. So I'm going to be taking that same pink shade onto the brush. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit so you guys could see. So I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to kind of pat it on the glitter. And then I'm going to just spread it around to where I want it. I like my glitter to go all the way up. Not super sharp. It's more on the loose side. And then there is that. For this side, I'm going to show you guys you can do it with your finger. Pat it until you reach the same consistency of the other eye. I mean, you would do it both the same way, but I'm just showing you guys two different ways to do it. And whatever part I can't reach, I'll just grab a brush and then spread it. Okay, so that is two ways you can apply it on your eye. So there are different palettes that have different kinds of textures. So this is another palette from Ruby May Cosmetics, and this one is the 18 color glitter palette, and this one is super pretty as well. For sure, my favorite shades in this palette are going to be these three. I will swatch them for you guys right here. I'll touch them And I'm going to pick up enough product. The way that I film my swatch videos is I pick up a lot of product to showcase a lot of space on my arm. In no way is someone going to be using that much glitter on their eye by themselves. I'm showing exaggerated swatches to just show the color and the pigment. So I picked up 3 of the shades right here. So here's a swatch of one of them. So what's really cool is that Ruby May also has a waterproof glitter palette. So this one is the Ocean Goddess one, and it looks like this. It's a long one. It has a mirror, and there's multiple shades in here. I really like these for when I know I'm going to be sweating, or if I'm going to be working out at dance, or I'm going to be doing something, I'm going to put these shades on. What's really cool is that I've shown swatch videos where I put the glitter on, and after about 2 minutes it sets. I'll pour water on my hand and then I'll wash it, and it doesn't come off, it doesn't move. So if you guys do want a bulletproof, waterproof glitter look, definitely pick up this one. I typically like to use this one. If I'm going to do it on my eye, I use it with a brush. So the same technique that I showed you guys earlier, just pick it up like if it is paint, because this one is a little bit thicker and not such a wet consistency. I literally can't see anything that I'm doing, but I'm going to just grab it and press it. You would do the same thing to your eye. So technically my hand is my eye. And then if you want to change the look on you at all, I would do it immediately. Don't wait any time, because once it's on there, it's set. It's not going to move. So if you want to cut crease it real quick, and then you will have that look set and it won't budge. There's no real stick glitter. You don't have to just put it on your eyes. For the top row in the Enchanted glitter, I'll put it on my lips for my videos, or I'll even put it on my cheeks. I'll show you guys right now. I'll take the little star ones like this, and I will pat it on my cheeks. And it has like big chunks of stars, it has little stars, and then it has like actual glitter pigments in it, which is really cool because it all just blends together. For Gay Pride in Palm Springs a couple months ago, I was doing makeup for them, and I did glitter on all of the guys' beards, on their hair, and oh my god, it was so much fun. And a lot of people were coming up to the little booth that I was at, and they were like, where can I put glitter? And I was like, you literally can put glitter anywhere. I did on the Go-Go Dancers. I put a ton of glitter all over their chest and on their abs, and then I did highlight on them. Some people, I did glitter eyebrows, so I completely just did rainbow eyebrows. My friend did rainbow eye looks. It was just so much fun. It's like glitter has like no limit. Like, you don't have to have too little, too much. There is never such thing. If you feel comfortable, then that's it. Like, it's good. You're good. I think I might add a little bit of this holographic shade right here. And then, because why not, I'm going to add some of that same holographic shade above my lip and on like my top lip itself, and then some right here on my chin. Bitch, we gon' wrap it up. Whole gang tryna run it up. Lock on me, fucking with, yeah. Your bitch, she just wanna fuck on me, yeah. Slip on her hip like it's stuck on me, yeah. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of today's tutorial slash how-to video. I hope you guys liked it and you guys learned something new about pressed glitters and how I like to apply them on my eye and how I work my swatch videos. If you guys do want to check out Ruby May Cosmetics, I will leave all of their information and social media down below to check them out, as well as my social media, so you guys can check me out as well. If you guys do end up purchasing anything from Ruby May Cosmetics, I do have a discount code with them. It is Makeupjackyluvv, so you'll get, I think, 10 to 15% off of any of your orders and any items. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I really liked this look. I literally will wear this out. I don't care. I love doing super creative stuff like this. And if you guys do any looks and do use pressed glitters, Snapchat me, DM me on Instagram, so that way I can show you guys love, and maybe you guys will get posted on their social media. Who knows? So if you guys liked it, again, thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye, you guys.